During the time that you were DGM of PCSO, do you remember that you have appointed several members of your family?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
How many? Seven, 8, 9, or 10?
Mr. Chair, referring to the appointment po na hired sa PCSO and paid by PCSO.
Whatever,
yeah,
position, appointed as secretary, or
more or less
whatever.
5. I'm sure more than 5, Mr.
7.
Chair. Yeah.
And one of those is your daughter. Am I correct? You appointed her as confidential agent. Yes or no?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You appointed your daughter who is sick as a confidential agent. And do you know the meaning of a confidential agent?
Yes,
Why did you
Mr.
appoint
Chair.
your daughter if she's sick?
Mr. Chair, during that time, ang diagnosis lang po sa kanya is dyslexia.
Yeah, you told us.
That is actually,
And what's the reason why you appointed
hindi
her?
naman po ibig sabihin mentally, ano po ang dyslexia. Lumabas lang po yung bipolar niya after I left PCSO.
Okay.